So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire bottom ice maker not working, ice maker arm, defrost and water flow. Fix 1 is perform a system reset. Turn off the refrigerator by flipping the power switch or lifting the metal wire arm. Then unplug the refrigerator by pulling the power cord out of the wall. Wait for exactly 5 minutes while the refrigerator remain unplugged. Restart the refrigerator by plugging it back in and turn the ice maker switch back on. Second fix is inspect the water supply. Replace the water filter if it is older than 6 months to maintain water pressure. Then check the wall valve behind the fridge to ensure it is fully open. Inspect the water line or any twinks or kinks that may affect water flow. Third fix is clear the frozen fill tube. Remove the ice bucket from the freezer, then inspect the back wall above the ice maker for the small plastic tube. If the tub contains ice, use a hair dryer on low heat to melt it. Keep the hair dryer moving to avoid damaging the plastic lining of the freezer. Fourth fix is clear jammed ice. Check the ice tray for stuck ice cubes. Use a plastic spoon to gently pry out the ice cube. Then avoid using knives or sharp metal tools to preventing puncturing the tray. Fifth fix is verify freezer temperature. Check the digital freezer control panel, then ensure the temperature is set between -80 degrees Celsius and -15 degrees Celsius, 0 degree Fahrenheit and 5 degree Fahrenheit. If the freezer temperature exceeds -12 degrees Celsius or 10 degree Fahrenheit, the ice maker will not cycle. Thanks for watching.